Welcome to hgreglux. Here we have a 2022 Land Rover Range Rover SVR. This car came with a clean Carfax. In this video, I'll be showing you any dents, scratches, or any wear and tear to the SUV to the best of our knowledge. First, we'll be going panel by panel. We're going to start with the front bumper. Perfect. Let's have a look at the hood of the car. Excellent. I'm not seeing any paint chips or scratches on the front. Let's move on to the driver fender and wheel. This fender looks perfect and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's move on to the driver's side doors. The front and back door look very good. I'm not seeing any dents or scratches on them at all. Let's have a look at the quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel looks very good. I do not see a scratch on it and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's move on to the back of the car. Okay, the trunk and back bumper are perfect. I'm not seeing any scratches or dents on them at all. Let's take a look at the passenger quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel is in good condition and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's move on to the passenger side doors. The front and back door here are in excellent condition. I'm not seeing any scratches or dents on them at all. Now the last fender and wheel. This fender looks perfect and the wheel has no curb rash. So the exterior of this SUV is in excellent condition. Now we're going to have a look inside. And we're going to start with the driver's seat. Okay, the seat looks perfect. Let's take a look at the door panel. The door panel looks excellent. Let's move on to the back seat. Perfect. So the driver's side is in good condition. Now let's take a look at the passenger side. The seat, it looks very good. I'm not seeing any wear and tear. Let's move on to the door panel. Perfect. I'm not seeing any wear and tear on the door panel either. Let's take a look at the back seat. Excellent. So the passenger side is in good condition. Now we're going to have a look at the rest of the interior. First, we're going to start off with the center console. Okay, everything here is in perfect condition. I'm not seeing anything worn out. Everything is still brand new. Let's take a look at the steering wheel. The steering wheel buttons look really good. I'm not seeing any wear on them at all. And around the steering wheel with the leather and stitching looks fine. So the interior of this SUV is in good condition. Now we're going to have a look at the trunk. And last but not least, the engine bay. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to speak to one of our representatives.